Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are coming with me to the studio today. Follow me. Ooh, look at you. You so naughty, clicking on this chair dance video. Well, since you brought it up, I guess I'll have to teach you a chair dance. Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, we are in the studio today because I'm going to teach you all about chairs. So go grab a sexy chair and meet me back on the floor. I have my cousin Sherema here today, and I am so excited she's going to help me with this tutorial today. So this is the deal. We all are different types of dancers, and she is more of a hip-hop dancer, so I am so happy to have her here in some heels today. So even if you are a hip-hop dancer, it's okay. If you are a swing dancer, if you are an African dancer, you can always try different styles. So I am so happy that you are here today, and let's get started. We are going to give you a simple chair dance routine that anybody can do at home, all levels. So if you need to rewind, you can always go back. We're going to start with that right leg walking 8 steps around that chair. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try that again, because when you walk around that chair, I want you to feel like you're checking for dust. Yes, you're checking for dust. So I want you to really swipe that chair. Now, we can pretend that there's someone here, right? So just pretend that you're swiping over someone's shoulder. Teasing is the art of burlesque, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. From here we go side, side, side. Pull that leg out to go roll. Give me 2 rolls here. Walk around, walk, walk, and sit. Close. Right. Now, hopefully you're sitting on someone's lap, right? I want you to make sure as you're performing, you're using that face. Now, you will hear me say this a lot. It's all about the interaction with the face. Also, too, when you are working with props, you have to remember this. It's not just you. It's not just the prop. You are one. You work together. You both complement each other, okay? So let's try that one more time. We start on the side of that chair. We walk around 5, 6, 7, and walk. 2, dust that chair, and 5, 6, 7, and we go hit, 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 leg, and 2 rolls. Get those arms up, walk around, and I sit, close. From here, I'm going to give you an option for 8 counts to freestyle, to do whatever you want to do. You can strip up the leg, be creative, anything that you want to do. It's all about you, okay? It's all about you. Let's try it. What I want you to remember is we're all different types of dancers. So your arms may be different from mine. Sherema's arms may be different from mine. So I like to elongate. As long as you keep that full line, as long as you follow through with your movements is all that I'm asking. So if you want the arm to be here as you walk around, let it be here. If you want the arm here as you walk around, that's okay too, as long as you follow through with your steps, okay? All right, now, we have just finished our 8 counts of doing whatever you want to do, your choice, right? Now that you've done your 8 counts of whatever you want to do, this is the teasy part. We get up, use that lift all the way up, arch that back. We step with that outside leg, step, step, one more step, step. Then we look back at the chair, and then we pull in that back leg. Yes. Okay, so let's take it from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we walk around that chair, dusting, dusting, and we take it. Give me that leg and a roll. Walk, walk, we go, and a walk, 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 and bring it in. You give me whatever you want. And a da, and a we roll it up. And walk, we go, walk, and a walk, and a walk, look back, and bring it on in, yes. Now this is the deal. It could always be different. You don't have to do the same poses every time. It doesn't have to be the same freestyle. I want you to think outside the box. I want you to change it up. So listen, if you're doing your arm like this time, or the last time, if the leg's up, you may want to try something different. Subtle is okay. You don't have to be all crazy with the arms. If your freestyle is just here, it's all about the tease. It's all about making someone feel a certain way about you. And you can easily do that by just doing this. That's all you need. It can be very, very nice and subtle, all right? Okay, so let's put all of that with music. I had so much fun teaching you guys this chair dance today. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel. I love you guys. Thank you. All right. And that's a wrap. I'm just kidding. It was so fun, guys. Thank you so much for dancing with me, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.